Sorry folks. Okay, 777, here we go. That's the Singapore Airlines 777 that went around just about 20 minutes ago, folks. Popping it down on the left side. Whoa, man, no way the swing there. Oh my God, that is, I gotta be honest with you, man, when you're sitting on an aeroplane and it's got that amount of sway, it's just nuts, man, just absolutely nuts. And you feel it as well, man. It's like you're in a washing machine. God bless you. Have you ever been in a washing machine then, Jerry? No.